So who among you believes in ghosts?
Me.
Me, sir, me.
Not me.
Dave, you don't believe in ghosts? You don't believe in yourself? This poem is titled The Haunted House. What do you think, Shri, is this poem about?
About ghosts.
About ghosts. Have you seen any ghost movies? What is the name of that movie? Have you seen any haunted house in real life?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, where?
Actually, before no, there was a army building. It was completely closed, full house. But at night, there took a voices of creepy voices from there.
Okay. Have you all experienced any incident
Yes.
yourself? Not hearsay, not from others. You yourself has experienced the presence of any spirits.
It was weird.
Yeah, you felt something strange out there.
The temperature was suddenly increasing at night.
Are you sure it was not a prank by your friend? Surprisingly, this poem is not scary at all. It's actually a positive poem with a positive message. The poet H.W. Longfellow, hence the poem is too long. Every house is a haunted house. Meaning, there are souls, there are spirits in every house. But don't think of these ghosts as somebody menacing, as you see in movies, who are hell-bent on taking revenge or to torture the occupants of this house. No. These spirits mind their own business. In fact, they try to bring about a positive vibes in that home. It might be the old tenant or the owner of the house who is dead. These spirits, they live in a spirit world, far away from earth. Where exactly is the location, no one knows. There is no scientific evidence for it. Maybe it's another dimension. The poet says that these ghosts often visit their home on earth because they miss it. They want to experience their nostalgic feelings, their past memories, to do their chores as they used to do when they were alive in that house. But they cannot affect the material world. They don't have powers to move or influence anything. They are not made of atoms. They can pass right through you without affecting you. All they can affect are the vibes, the abstract feelings that is present in the atmosphere. That's pure energy. That's what spirits are made up of. And whether you believe in souls and ghosts or not, one thing is sure, that there are mysteries out there in the world which science has no answer to yet. In fact, scientific theories, there are some theories which are stranger than science fiction. Relativity and quantum theory describe space and time in ways which are totally contradictory to our common sense. Particles are entangled millions of miles away and they can affect each other by forces we don't know. Do you have a soul? Well, let's think of it like this.
My hand.
Whose hand is this?
It's my hand.
This is your hand. Okay. Whose body is this?
It's my body.
Are you sure? It's your body? That means you are not the body. When you say it is my body, means you are the owner of the body. You possess the body. You are somebody different from the body. You never say that I am the body. You say this is my body. So what is it that you are if not the body?
Soul.
The soul or the consciousness. There is no scientific definition for that consciousness. But the theory says that your body is mortal. After you die, your body will be decomposed, the atoms will be recycled in nature. But your soul is immortal. Your consciousness will become one with the consciousness of the universe. You are the universe. The universe is you. When you invite some guests to your house and you are the host, in reality, double the number or more than that, the number are the people sitting in that area. And there was a stranger next to him. He realized that he could see ghosts which others can't. But these ghosts were like portraits on a wall. They were not affecting anything, they were not influencing anything, but he could sense. The poet says that when you buy a house, you have those documents, but you are not the permanent owner of the house as long as you're alive. Because after your death, you lose the ownership. In fact, you are no longer on earth. But these ghosts who used to live here when they were alive, they have permanent ownership of that land, of that house. And nobody can alienate them from these fundamental rights. They can walk in and walk out of their place anytime they want. Nobody has a right to stop them and nobody can stop them. And nobody would want to stop them because they are not harming anything. The poet says that there is a spirit world out there and it's intangible. It's like water vapor. You cannot see it, but sometimes you may feel it. Especially some people have a more acute sense of sensing such extrasensory perceptions or sixth sense they have, an instinct. Then they go on to say that this world, everything has a balance, the negative and the positive, good and bad, anger and peace, love and hate, pain and pleasure, everything is balanced, and that's how life should be. And these ghosts help to bring about that balance. Somehow they affect our life, our emotions, not materially, but spiritually. Your grandfather, your great-grandfather, your ancestors may be trying to protect you through their blessings. They cannot help you materially, but perhaps they can influence your mindset, try to make you more positive, try to give you the strength at times when there was no hope. And often some good luck comes your way and you wonder, how did this happen? Perhaps it was a blessing from the spirit world. While talking about materialism and balance, the poet also says that all of us have some instincts, which are of two categories: base instincts and noble instincts. Base instincts are animal instincts, which all animals have, even humans have. Hunger, thirst, sexual attraction, desire for revenge, violence. These are emotions which animals have no control over. But we are more enlightened. We can control these emotions. No matter how hungry we are, if we find that a loved one is also hungry, we are willing to sacrifice and give the food to them. So we can overcome any kind of temptation or emotion for some higher instinct. The higher instincts are love for our family, achieving a big goal, be tempted to pursue pleasure, do something pleasurable, like spend time on Instagram. But often you think that no, I need to study right now, I need to make a career. Such higher level thinking does not occur in animals. It occurs only in human beings. One positive message in this poem is that we should not be very materialistic. We should not be attached to things, because no matter how much wealth you have, no matter how much pleasure you derive by spending and splurging and earning and having dozens of cars to show off, but how long? A day will come when you will have to leave this material world and ascend to the spirit world, and can you take anything with you? No, you cannot. And don't think that some angels are waiting for you there either. You be an angel on earth and make it a heaven. The poet says that there is a light bridge between the spirit world and the material world. A bridge made of light, meaning pure energy, which means we cannot walk on it, but the spirits can walk on it. The only way we can be connected to the spirit world is through our thoughts, through our memories, which are again intangible. And the moonlight at night also plays a role in completing this bridge made up of light. That is why ghosts prefer to come out at night. And if you could look down from the bridge, you would see the abyss, the bottom of a valley. But when you see the abyss, you should never be scared in life. You should keep walking up, aim for higher things. That is the message of the story. Because there is someone out there, even if when you feel alone, remember there is someone out there watching your back. Someone out there helping you. A video, a reel recently, very popular one, where a weightlifter in the Olympics is trying to lift a weight, but he couldn't. But he had promised his wife that he will win a medal, and the wife's spirit gives him that extra, helps him with that extra push, and he is able to lift it. So maybe this is not realistic, but one thing is sure, the memory of his wife, the motivation he derived from that, definitely helped him. That is something mysterious. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, if you'd like to enroll for my test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check my description for more information.